So, Wolf, like I say, the mass behind the atomic bomb primarily revolves around nuclear fusion and Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared. Fusion is the splitting of atomic nuclear releases energy, and the mass energy equation E equals mc squared detects how much energy is released from the mass that is converted in the process. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Nuclear fusion. Splitting atoms. Fusion involves bombarding a missile of material like uranium-235 or plutonium-239, which with neutrons that with neutrons. This causes the nucleus to split into two small nuclei, releasing additional neutrons, and a significant amount of energy. Chain reaction. No. The released neutrons can trigger further fusions events, creating a chain reaction. That rapid, self-sustaining process is what releases the enormous amount of energy in an atomic bomb. Okay, so central critical mass. The critical mass of is the minimum amount of fissile material or needed to sustain a chain reaction. Below this mass, a chain reaction will fizzle out. Okay? Although this mass, a runaway reaction can occur. Did you understand that? No, it doesn't contain a chain reaction. Now, let me continue. Leading to an explosion. Damn range. Come on, turn into a normal character. Turn into an uninvincible character real quick. Anyway, E equals mc squared. Mass energy equivalence. Einstein's equation E equals mc squared shows that mass and energy are interchangeable. The small amount of mass can be converted into a 10th amount of energy and vice versa. Energy released in a fusion. A nuclear fusion, a tiny fraction of the original atom's mass is converted into energy according to M equals mc squared. This similarly small mass difference results in a huge release of energy. Okay? Now, if you're calculating energy using MC's E equals mc squared, scientists can calculate the energy released during fusion, and by knowing the mass difference between the original nucleus and the resulting fusion products. Okay? Because I am teaching y'all how to this math behind a nuclear bomb. Because someone here doesn't know math. He said math is not math. We all we all know math is math. There's no one way to use math. Mess is illegal. Mess is illegal. Don't do mess. Don't do mess. You don't want to be bored, do you? Or if you're a bad influence. Anyway, other mathematical conjunctions, neutron behavior. Understanding the behavior of neutrons, okay, neutrons in the fissile, or the fissile? Fuck, I don't know. Material is crucial. Yes, we do. Keep doing that. Thank you. This includes the speed, direction, and probability of causing a fusion. Like the fusion equation are used to model neutron behavior and predict the likelihood of a chain reaction. Okay? Implosion physics, the design in implosion physics, the design of an atomic bomb involves complex calculations related to the implosion. Yes. Anyway, these calculations ensure a subcritical mass of fissile material is rapidly compressed into a supercritical mass, triggering the chain reaction and subsequent explosion. We're almost to the end, Wolf. Okay? If we're using and then guess what? With the somagnetics, the immense heat and pressure generated by the explosion require understanding somagnetics to model the behavior of the bomb and its effect. Breathe into the mic again. I will send you to Jesus. $10 buddy. Anyway, stop playing that. Okay. Anyway, back to the teach. Back to the lesson. In essence, the atomic bomb destructive power is a result. Is a result of harnessing the principle of nuclear fusion and the mass energy equivalence described by Einstein's E equals mc squared. The design is construction of these weapons involved complex mathematical modeling. Fuck you. Mathematical modeling and calculations to achieve the necessary conjunctions for a nuclear explosion. Thank you for the time.